Hey y'all, so it is the night before my Sisterlock installation, and I just want to come to y'all to kind of let y'all know my stuff I got. So this is gonna be my lunch for tomorrow. The healthy choice cafe steamers, honey glazed turkey and potatoes. For breakfast I'll be having a V8 green smoothie. I got a big thing because I'll have it for 2 days. My mid-morning snack, got apples, pretzels, and cheese. I got these from Walmart. I got 2 of them. And then after lunch snack, I got some baby carrots and some ranch. Also got those from Walmart. Trying these new chips. I haven't had them yet, but I hope they're good. Flaming hot dill pickle. I like dill pickle chips, so we'll see how that works. And they have new Oreo things, Oreo latte. So, and then I also have these Diet Coke strawberry guava. I've never had them before, but I said I want to try them. So one thing I'm also bringing is my neck pillow, because I've heard, you know, well, I know just from getting my hair done all my life that, you know, holding my neck, you know, for a long time certain ways probably caused me some neck pain. So I got that. I also need to get, which now I'm thinking about it, I need to bring a big pillow for me to sit on, because I think, well, she said my butt's gonna hurt, I'm sure. I also brought, I'm also going to bring this blanket my boyfriend bought me. It has feet pockets in the bottom to keep your feet warm, in case it's cold in her studio. And of course, entertainment. Amanda Seales' new book, Small Doses. Go get it if you don't have it. I would listen to her podcast, and I love Amanda. She a little crazy, but I feel like in my mind, me and her are best friends. So outside of that, you know, all my chargers for my camera, for my phone. I need to get to sleep. It's 10:49. November 21st, the 22nd, day 1. I'm nervous, but I'm ready. I'm going to wash my hair with, I bought this Herbal Essence damage repair long-term relationship. It says it's good for color, since I colored my hair before I got my locks, before I'm getting my Sisterlocks. So I'm gonna wash real good with this tonight, separate it into little twisties, put the twisties over my head, put a bonnet on my head, and call it done. Of course, she sent me, you know, my information or text, you know, before, you know, make sure my hair is clean with no products, and try to detangle as much as I can. And we'll start at 6 in the morning. So I'll come to y'all tomorrow and let y'all see. Well, y'all might not see it on the 22nd, but you know what I mean. Thank you guys for keeping up with me. Everybody who's watching, I appreciate you. Leave me a comment down in the bottom. Let me know what you think. Do you have Sisterlocks? Are you thinking about getting Sisterlocks? You just watching my video just because you want to watch it? Whatever. I just want to know, because yeah, that's what we're doing. So we also need to come up with I guess a name for our family. You know, a lot of people have different names for their subscribers, the people who watch them. So I'm thinking, I don't know, we'll think of something. I'll find a cute emoji and then we'll stick with that one. We gonna work on it, but it's me and you, we together. Okay, if y'all hear a little knocking in the background, it's my hamster. It's late and she's up. Her name is Shirley. But anyways, good night. I'll do my best to film tomorrow, and day 1 coming.